I think this is a first on my channel. It literally feels like the Titanic. Wow, incredible, incredible place. I'm actually struggling because that is a first here on my channel. I must say this has to be not only the first time, but surely the last time that I can actually... Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverickly, and we are in Shenzhen, China. Specifically, we are in a place called Shekou, which is in Nanshan district, located in Shenzhen. Now, this place where I am standing right now is actually called SeaWorld. This is an area here in Shekou. Now, standing right behind me is a historical figure, you could say. It's called the Minghua Guangzhou ship. Now, this ship was basically left over, I believe it was, I don't know for what reason. You can fact check me anyways online and let me know down below in the comments. But anyways, it was left over here, and Shekou, this area, SeaWorld, shall I say, was formed around this very ship standing right behind me, which is pretty cool and pretty fascinating, if I do say so myself. So let's join me, Maverickly, and let's go on board this ship and let's see what it's like. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more content just like this. Okay, let's go. Hello.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's okay. Just got walked into there. Now look at it in here. This place is beautiful. Why do they call it La Art? Because they make ice cream art. Look at these lifts. As they say, elevators. Wow. So cool. Look at that. This place is stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at all the shops in here. Really, really impressive. Wow. Not sure what's up here. Let's go find out. Look at this place. Wow, just look at this place, man. So impressive. Amazing, really. Wow, incredible, incredible place. I'm really, really impressed by this place. You know, normally when I do my ratings, I usually have to think about it. But this place, not only do I already know the outcome, the rating of the place, but I'm actually struggling because not only is it an instant 5 out of 5, it actually surpasses a 5 out of 5, which is crazy, you know? It really is crazy, especially considering I've just arrived. As of now, it feels like a 7 out of 5. That is a first here on my channel. Now, surprisingly, the ceilings here are very, very low. I'm not that tall. Look at this. I can touch the top. That's crazy. It literally feels like the Titanic. Really nice here, really nice. Let's take a look out of this window. Now, I've always wanted to take a look out of one of these windows on this ship. Beautiful. This is SeaWorld Shekou in Shenzhen, China. I have an eye for detail, and the details on this place are truly resonating with me. Really incredible. I think this is a first on my channel. It really is a first. That not only do I have to think, like, what do I rate this at the end of the video? Is it going to be like out of 5? Is it going to be 5? Is it going to be 4? 4.5? What? Straight away, it's like a 7. It's like a 7 out of 5. Instantly. 7 out of 5, honestly. I must say, this has to be not only the first time, but surely the last time that I can actually rate a place beyond 5. That's crazy. Really is crazy. So there is another entrance there. And there is the back of the ship. Minghua Guangzhou. Very beautiful. As you can see upstairs, they also have an outdoor area where you can sit. Shall we take a look up? Let's go on a wander. Let's go up. Let's see what we find. Oh. Want to go upstairs to the outdoor area. The question is, how do we get there? We are now going on the deck. Check this out. So basically, it's just a seating area where you can sit, have some drinks, have some snacks. But actually, up here is the actual restaurant place. So here you can actually order food and sit outside. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. How nice is that? That is so nice. Here is the view of SeaWorld from a different angle. Very nice. There's some little stalls there, as you can see. Everybody wants a good old ice cream in the hot weather, don't they? However, again, be warned, it will probably melt within 1 minute. Probably be liquid. Whew. Let's take a look on the other side. Look at this fountain area. Look at that fountain area. So cool. And this is the back of the ship. Look at that. Lots of people down there are getting photos with the ship in the background. Okay, it's time for us to leave this place now. Well, that's all from me, Maverickly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like on the video. It's very important that I get your like. Not only does it help me with the algorithm, but it also encourages me to produce more videos just like this for you all, because I know that somebody is watching and even appreciating the content and the time that I am putting in. Subscribe to the channel before you go and check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this.